Hello, our group number is Group76. So welcome to a furniture room design application. This project was developed using React 18 with TypeScript bundled with White for fast performance. We used Tailwind CSS for styling and integrated Redis UI and Blueside React to build accessible, visually engaging components. The application empowers in-store designers to create and visualize customized room layouts in both 2D and 3D for an enhanced customer consultation experience.
Thank you. My name is Karuna Wijerathna. My student ID is 108999434. Now I'm talking about the interface of the project. At the left side, we can see Start Designing button, and right side we can see pictures of designs. These pictures can move here, and let's go to the code. This is the code of the interface. This code have two main parts. There are header and footer. This code makes the interface of the project. Thank you.
My name is Visualisation Lithira and my index number is 108999293. I'm going to quickly walk through the login component of our room design application. This component is built using React and uses functional components with hooks like useState to manage the username, password, and loading state. It also uses a custom authentication context via useAuth to handle logic and redirects users if they are already authenticated. The UI is built using reusable components like card input, label, and button, which help maintain consistent and clean design. When the form is submitted, it triggers the handle submit function, which calls the login method with the entered credentials. If the login is successful, the user is automatically redirected to the dashboard. There's also simple loading state to give a feedback during the login process. Overall, the component is clean, responsive, and uses good separation of logic and UI. It also supports demo credentials for quick testing. So this is a quick overview of the login feature. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhuvanika. My name is Rohansie Hewage and my Plymouth ID is 108987777. My work in this project is create the dashboard. The dashboard is designed as the starting point for in-store designers. At the top, users see welcome in header with their name and prominent new room button. Below that, if a room is already in progress, a card appears showing its name, last updated date, and number of furniture items, with options to either continue editing or viewing it in 3D. The quick action section follows, offering 3 clear shortcuts to create a new room, access in 2D designer, or view save layouts. Finally, the recent project section shows up to allowing and click access to reopen them. This is the code. The UI is driven by React and state management using useState. The username is fetched via useAuth and room data is managed using use room design. The new room button opens a dialog where input is typed new room name. When submitted, the handle create room function creates the project and navigates to the designer. Room loading uses handle load room and navigate for seamless transitions. Mapping over saved rooms dynamically renders project cards, making the dashboard both interactive and efficient. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohansie. My name is Herath Herath. My Plymouth ID is 108988770. My part of the project is room designer with 2D. First, we have to create a new room with a label as we wish a label. Then put the create button, and after that, the room width and height is default. We can resize the width and height as we want. The room size actual was, and the wall color, we can change the wall color and the floor color. After that, we can add these furnitures to the room and find how it looks. First, we select the one furniture and we can resize the position and the size, the width and height, and we can rotate the furniture. We can change the position as we want, where the position want. Then we can rotate the furniture and we can change the color of the furniture. After that, we can add another furniture to the room. After that, we can delete also that furniture in the room as we don't, then we add another furniture. We can also same thing, the position and the height and the width. The position is 2D array, 2D Cartesian plane, and the rotation. After that, it is we can change the color, and it looks like this. The further after that, the function of the code. Let's move to the code. It looks like some. It's with this is the code. This is the code of the room design with 2D. You can update in we can everything in the functions in this code. In this 2D room functions, we can update the room, update the height, with position, the furniture, or furniture type, how to select all these, delete the furniture, all these in this code. And thank you.
Thank you, Nadum. My name is Wadumesthri Nethum. My student ID is the 108999420. My part is the 2D rendering to 3D. It works together. The application gets room design data to context provider, room design context. This data includes room dimensions, wall floor colors, and furniture items. The 3D viewer takes that data to create 3D representation with a flow based on the room dimensions. Wall on the three slides: black, back, left, right. Furniture item position to according to their 2D coordinates. The user can interact with this 3D view using mouse control. The click and rotate to the rotate is called to zoom in out. Right click and drag to the plan. The 3D seems the part of the larger application to the 2D room design and indicates by the back to 2D editor button. The code consistent of the two main components. 3D view page is page.txs and the page component that host and 3D viewer. The 3D viewer.txs, the components that render the actual 3D scenes. This is the code. 3D page.txs. This is the container page that displays the header with the room name. Show the back to the 2D editor button. Consist and 3D viewer component display the help panel with control information. The page gets the current room design from the context old use room designing with saying the managing the state of room designing of the application. The 3D viewer.txt, the the components. This is the that code. Thank you.
Thank you, Chanupa. My name is Nethmini Indrachapa. My Plymouth ID is 108987886. I'll explain the React component called Save Layouts, which is the part of our project. My part of the project focus on saving the 2D and 3D room layouts after they are created. After user finish designing their room in 3D or 2D, they can save the layout and it will appear in the save layout component. This component allows user to view, load and delete their save room layout. Now let's go to the code. First, it checks is there are any save layout. If not, it shows the no save layout. If there are save rooms, it displays them in a grid. Each room call show the room name, the number of the furniture items, and the last update time. The layouts are sorted by the date, which is the most recent first. When user click on a room, it loads to the room design. You can also view the layout in 3D. If user want to delete a room, you can click the trash icon, which opens a configuration dialog. Thank you.